Hi everyone. If your phone is stuck in headphone mode and there's no sound coming from the speaker, don't worry. In most cases, you can fix this problem in just a few minutes. The first thing to try is restarting your phone. Sometimes it's just a temporary software glitch, and a simple reboot is enough to get everything working normally again. If that doesn't help, plug your wired headphones into the phone and then unplug them. Repeat this a few times. Many phones will recognize that the headphones have been disconnected and automatically switch the sound back to the speaker. Next, check the headphone jack or the USB-C charging port if you use USB-C headphones. Dust, lint, or other small debris can build up inside the port, making the phone think that headphones are still connected. Carefully clean the port with a soft brush, a wooden toothpick, or compressed air. Avoid using metal objects, as they could damage the connector. You should also turn off Bluetooth. Your phone may still be connected to wireless earbuds or another Bluetooth audio device, preventing sound from playing through the built-in speaker. If the issue is still there, open your phone's settings and check the sound section. Some phones allow you to manually switch the audio output back to the speaker or reset the audio settings. Another good idea is to install any available software updates. Sometimes this issue is caused by a bug that has already been fixed in a newer version of the operating system. If none of these methods work, you can try resetting your phone settings. This won't usually delete your photos, videos, or apps, but it will restore your network, Bluetooth, and other system settings to their default values. If your phone is still stuck in headphone mode after trying everything, the problem is most likely caused by moisture, dirt inside the port, or a hardware issue. In that case, the phone may need to be inspected and repaired. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the problem. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.